Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are going to make a unicorn headband. We're going to do that with our white headband. We have some ears cut out here, some flowers, and our hot glue gun. But before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not, go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you like to see. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have white felt. That's what this is. I'm going to actually show you how I cut out the ears, and then I have a pink piece of foam board. I didn't have any white foam board, so that's why I'm using felt. But basically when I made the ears, I just made a triangle. I'll do it with this one. I just made a triangle like this, and then I went and rounded it off like that to give it more of a unicorn feel to it. So basically that's all I did, and just kind of erased it. So yeah, I'm just going to use these as a template for now. So let's get into making this headband. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you is that I cut these out to stabilize my ears. I'm going to put these right here to stabilize my ears. But basically all this is like one of those foam makeup things that, well, I don't wear makeup, but I buy these because I find that they work pretty good for with a lot of crafts. So that's why I have these used for nail polish, paint, whatever you're doing. These work great for that. So that's all I did. I just cut this out and kind of made it a triangle, kind of measured it to the ear. I didn't want it to go all the way up, but it's going to sit so it can stabilize my ears when I put them on the headband. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. So now we're going to go ahead and put the flowers on. Okay, so we have the ears, and these actually could be bunny ears, so you just make them bigger, and then probably don't cut down this little sponge too much if you want to make them into bunny ears. So now I'm going to take these pretty little flowers and put them across here. so here we have it, guys. This is so cute, so delicate, so fun. This is something you can do if you're a kid watching this video. This is something fun you can do as like a art project. Like my kids, they still are able to send in artwork to their teachers, so this would be something fun that you can do. This is kind of creative arts and crafts. I love it. It's so cute. It's so delicate, and it's going to be Easter soon, so this is something you can make if you're a parent or grandparent, aunt, uncle, whatever. This is something really cute that you can make with or for your family members. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, again, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe now. Also, make sure you're following me on social media so you can stay updated with things that are going on outside of YouTube. Also, I have a blog and a shop, which are also linked in the description. And until next time, bye!